Hey everyone, Gilroy Gray Man Prepping. A little late getting out here today. I was working on editing the city council meeting videos last night. I do a couple cameras, so I had to edit them together and match up the sound and stuff. So it took a couple hours this morning getting that going. All right, well, let's get on the exercising, okay? so I did an hour, 405 calories on the Gazelle. I took it a little bit slower so I could go longer. After all, prepping is a marathon, not a sprint. Yesterday I tried a sprint. Today I'm doing the marathon. All right, your prep for today. Oh shoot, forgot what I was going to do. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to get something to drink. Oh, out of water. Well, there's a good one right there. Make sure you have plenty of water in your preps. All right. Tonight is on Camp Pat Family Compound. The live stream topic is natural events that change the weather and therefore affects your garden and the heating of your house and everything else. Tomorrow back here on Gray Man Prepping for Survival Saturday, we got Bill Nash from Nash Nurseries coming in. We're going to talk about fruit trees, nut trees, and such, and what ones might be best for your area. So we will have a question and answer period, so you can put in questions in the chat. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Try doing an indoor garden. I just added 4 more of those gray trays to my garden for inside. I'm just trying to chip the seeds for it right now. And you really need to get prepped up for this winter and spring.